This Coleman BT 200X was starting to really skip and sputter, and it finally stalled out, and I'd go to start it and it would just keep backfiring. It wouldn't start. We were in the mud a little bit, and I had some mud on the filter, and I thought I might have sucked something into the carburetor, but come to find out, it turned out to be just a spark plug. It had a Champion spark plug in it, and it went quite a while, but I thought while I had that out, I would put a E3 in there, and I already threw the other plug away, so I can't show you the spark on that, but I'll show you how you just take your plug out. And then put it back in the boot. Like that. And then rest the end of it on your metal fins right there. And, you know, don't touch that. You'll get spark. And then just pull the recoil, and you'll see the spark on this E3. And the other plug would only spark once in a while, so if you're getting a lot of backfiring and it won't start, switch to an E3.